how I make my spaghetti bolognese. I make my garlic really brown, almost burned because of setting up the video. So yeah, I will put now my beef meat. So the quickest way how to make a spaghetti bolognese. So there you go. Yeah. So I already put my beef meat. I need another one. So I always use two, so it's easy to mix. I am on LS, so we put a low volume. I already told her I'm cooking, so she will understand that. I don't use oil anymore. I use this. This is what I use to brown my garlic. Not oil anymore. It's more healthy. So, yeah. Instant spaghetti bolognese. Why it's instant? Because I'm making this. A ready one in the flasher. I'm also already boiling my water for the noodles. Make a light. Hey! So you just make them brown. Put the pepper. That's enough. And then I put a little salt. Little because it's empty. It's already empty. So when this is all brown, that's when I put the sauce and then let it cook after. Because it's a beef meat, I don't have to cook it too long because beef is not the same as the pork. The beef you can actually eat it not well cooked, especially if it's a fresh meat. So, yeah. I only do this so it don't get big lump of meat. So yeah, now it's brown. And the magic, that's how you make it open quicker. So You make a little water in it. Just to wash the flasher. And is 1 can enough? Yeah, it's more syrup when there's more sauce. So we use the other one. So we just clean the bottle a little bit. And then we just let it cook like this. There you go. And we just let it cook like that. That's finished. Just let it boil. We just let it boil until it's done. I have a flashy box here that is already full. So it's done. I'll have to wait until it's well cooked. And then lunch is ready. See? We don't need much time when we cook spaghetti because the sauce is ready. You just have to put a little seasoning. So we just put a little seasoning and it's done. The noodles will be done and lunch can be served anytime. Under 15 minutes, your lunch is ready. So we taste it. Have to taste it. Already good, but I want to put a little bit more seasoning. Yes, Paula, everything okay? And Paula is asking me to take her out. She wants to play at the snow. That's why. Hey Paula! I've been shopping again yesterday. I don't know what I do with my life. Shopping is the shopping and the shopping. That's better. Because I put extra seasoning, that was better. Maybe I put a little bit more salt. I have another salt here. That's it. A little bit more pepper. And that's it. That's done. So, I don't know if it will fit here. I'll try to put it in there. Kasi mas mabilis siyang i-scoop kapag nandito sa ganitong so there you go. It's already cooked. So kasi we have this, so it's easier to get it with this. But it's easier to cook always in the pan. So that's done. Turn it off. One is done. Now we are cooking the noodles. There you go. So that's my noodles. Tumatalsik-talsik yung aking noodles. Take that out kasi baka masunog. So we're just waiting for the noodles. And then when the noodles is cooked, I will call the father and son. Naglalaro ako sa ano, sa LS. Roasted lamb. So, since it's just cooking the noodles, I will stop it already and show you the photo how it was looks later and let you know if it tastes good. So, ayan, luto na po yung ating noodles. Luto na siya. Luto na nga ba? Hot. So, luto na siya. Pwede rin siyang kainin. Supa.